Hey guys, welcome back to Ecom by Chandu. In today's video, we are going to review KILIG Nexa digital air fryer. Its capacity is 4 liters. We will cover unboxing features, full setup process, cooking demo, pros and cons, and whether it is worth buying or not. So, watch till the end. Inside the box, we get stainless steel tray, user manual, glass cooking basket, KILIG Nexa air fryer, and power cable. It has a transparent glass basket, which is rare in this price segment and gives a modern kitchen look. This design looks premium and compact. The biggest highlight is the PFAS or PTFE or PFOA-Free Glass Basket. It means healthier cooking without chemical coating. Clean the glass basket and stainless steel tray before first use. Before cooking food, run the air fryer empty for 10 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius to remove manufacturing smell. The build quality feels solid and premium. The front has a glossy digital touch screen display with present cooking modes. Inside the box, they also provided a detailed user manual and recipe book. The user manual explains air fryer setup, touch controls, app connection process, cooking modes, safety instructions, cleaning and maintenance. So, even if you are using an air fryer for the first time, the setup process becomes very easy. Here we also get a recipe book with multiple cooking ideas like fries, chicken, paneer tikka, fish, snacks, cakes and more. This is especially useful for beginners who want to try different recipes without searching online. The instructions are simple and easy to understand, making the overall user experience beginner friendly. Now we are going to test air fryer with a simple peanut roasting. Add raw peanuts into the glass basket evenly. No oil is required, but you can add a few drops if you want extra flavor. Keep the air fryer on the flat surface with enough ventilation space around it. And plug in, connect the power cable and turn on the air fryer. You can control the air fryer directly from the smartphone or through touch panel. It displays with present cooking modes: fries, frozen snacks, fish, samosa, paneer tikka, kebab, chicken and cake. Here we can adjust temperature. Now I am going to set temperature 160 degrees Celsius. And here we can adjust time. The transparent glass basket is super useful because you can monitor the peanuts while roasting without opening the basket repeatedly. It uses top and bottom heating with rapid airflow for even cooking and crispy texture, and powerful heating with 1800 watts of power and temperature range from 18 degrees Celsius to 200 degrees Celsius. After around 4 to 5 minutes, gently shake the basket for even roasting. You can also use this air fryer not only for fries and snacks, but also for roasting peanuts, dry fruits, makana, and many quick snacks. Here are the pros and cons of this air fryer. And coming to pros, premium glass basket, smart app control, dual heating technology, fast and even cooking, compact design, and easy cleaning. And coming to cons, 4-liter capacity may feel small for large families. Requires Wi-Fi for smart feature. If you want a smart, compact, and premium air fryer with app control and healthier cooking, the KILIG Nexa digital air fryer with 4 liters is definitely a great option and perfect for small families, couples, students, daily cooking needs. Overall, it offers good features, modern design, and smart cooking convenience. If you found this video is helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Product link is given in the description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.